Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Solana from your Gemini exchange to a Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're looking to take control of your crypto and move it to a secure hardware wallet, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Gemini account with Solana in it, your Tangem wallet set up and connected, and a basic understanding of crypto transfers. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section. It's usually in the Wallet or Assets tab. Next, select Solana from your list of assets. Gemini might ask you to verify your identity or enable two-factor authentication, so go ahead and do that for security. Now, you'll need your Tangem wallet address. Open your Tangem app or device, go to the Receive section, and copy the Solana address. It's crucial to get this right. Double-check for any typos because that could send your funds to the wrong place. Back in Gemini, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Gemini typically has a small fee for withdrawals, so factor that in. Review all the details. The address, amount, and network. It should be Solana's network. Hit confirm, and you'll likely get a confirmation email or text. The transfer time can vary, but on the Solana network, it usually takes just a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once it's done, open your Tangem wallet to verify that the Solana has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check the Blockchain Explorer or contact Gemini support. And there you have it. Your Solana is now safely in your Tangem wallet. This step helps you avoid exchange risks and gives you full control. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.